Hey guys, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's doing well. So today, another short video for you real quick. As obviously you can see from the intro, I'm finally getting to wash this boy down. He's dirty as can be. But I want to show you this real quick. This is a freaking treasure right here, boy. This bad boy right here. Got this bad boy from eBay. And let me tell you, it came into play and it's pretty much saving my behind right now. It's a step for your strike plate, and I got both of these here for around, I think, less than $20. Yes, at first I thought it would be a little bit bigger, but it's a little small, but it's fine. It's pretty much bigger, or as big as the average person's hand. My hands are a little bit bigger than that, but it's fine. And it's really good, especially for any type of hard to reach places or anything like that. Obviously you could see right here, I actually reached the top of the truck. The stuff is drying right now because I'm busy filming, but this is pretty much it right here. It's made from 6061 aluminum, and what I really like about it is it's a dual purpose step where you can use this. See how it folds out right there into like 90 degrees. Put it down like this. If you're in an emergency, like in your car, you couldn't get out, or you're trying to get in, you can literally, this focal point right here will literally break the glass, because it does have some weight to this. Not too heavy, does have some weight to it. So now, very simple. There's a 45-degree hook right here, and all you're doing, you're literally going like this, hooking this into your strike plate just like that. And the good thing is the back of it has rubber, so you're not scratching up your paint. And this thing can hold, as they said, it can hold up to around 500 pounds. So that's a decent amount of weight. Just definitely get some footing or hold on, obviously, because only one foot will be on this at a time. You know what I'm saying? So just make sure you guys are holding on to something else, as you see me doing in the intro, and you'll be fine. But it's definitely good for hard to reach places. So that's really it, guys. It's pretty dope, I think. It's a really good buy. I'll have everything in the description, and definitely like, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this, but definitely for any hard to reach car, SUV or truck, let me tell you, this stuff works, because this truck is pretty high, very high. So stuff really works, man. Another dope vid. Definitely check it out, and thank you for joining me.